when Prophet Ibrahim wanted to see Allah resurrect the dead. Ibrahim got to a point in life where he asked Allah, "Show me how do you revive the dead?" Prophet Ibrahim was already believing in Allah, but wanted to see how he did it. He wanted to advance from the knowledge of certainty to the eye of certainty. Allah said, "Don't you believe? Don't you believe?" He replies, "Of course I believe. However, I want to feel satisfaction in my heart." So Allah told Ibrahim to go and collect 4 birds, then chop them up. So he would grab the 4 birds and he began to rip them apart, the flesh, the skin, the blood, the veins, everything else all over the place. Then Allah told Abraham to go to the peak of a number of mountains and divide this pile of dead birds. Scholars said he had to go and place parts of the birds over 4 mountains. He kept the 4 heads in his hands. He came down. Allah now gives him the next step, called the birds you are going to see now, my ability over all things. Ibrahim hesitates because he knew that on top of the mountains there are only dead birds. So Allah repeated, "They will come running to you, just call them." So he called them as he called them. The birds came down flying without their heads. The scholars said that he saw the parts of the birds begin to assemble in the air. Ibrahim is seeing things you can't even see with the naked eye. 4 birds are formed in front of his eye in no time. Allah is bringing it all up together and he is seeing it. Birds were flying without their heads, and when they came to him, he would offer the head. And if it was to the wrong bird, it would refuse until he hands over the right head. Like a Lego connect back in and the birds are gone. Most of the demotivation you have in worship is because you don't know who Allah is. Look what Prophet Abraham did to know better Allah.